Let's look at 8 steps for retiring early with real estate. If you are new to the channel and want to learn how to make money while you sleep, subscribe and click the bell. That way, you'll never miss a video. Number 1. Establish financial security. In order for you to even think about retiring early, you have to pay off your debt, or at least get it under control. If you are trying to retire with high-interest consumer debt, you likely won't succeed. At the bare minimum, you at least want to pay off your student loans and your credit cards. In the best case scenario, you want to have the mortgage for your main residence paid off as well. Number 2, know your income needs. Once you reach the point where you are debt-free, you want to figure out your monthly income needs. What do your monthly expenses look like? How much money do you need to live each month? You need to figure out how much money it's going to cost you to live your current lifestyle, or the lifestyle that you want to live. Number 3, prepare for emergencies. Every now and then a disaster could occur out of nowhere. When this happens, it's best to have an emergency stash of money stored away for these types of occasions. If you're planning on retiring early with real estate, you need to have a backup plan in place and a nice chunk of cash readily available for you to use during an emergency. Number 4, know the rental income. If you are someone who already has a real estate portfolio, take note of how much money you are currently making. How far away are you from your goal number? It's important that you understand each property's rental history. What properties seem to always be vacant? What properties are always occupied? You also want to look at your average rent received each year and use that number to help you figure out where you currently are in relation to your target number. Number 5, be selective about your real estate properties. This might be obvious, but if you are planning to retire using real estate, you'll want to have good properties. Good properties are properties that renters will want to live in. Think of it from the renter's perspective. What kinds of people will be renting your property? Are they people in their 20s, 30s, or 40s? Are they people with kids, or are they single? What kind of area would these people like to live in? Number 6, invest in your properties. Remember that buying a property is just the beginning. You are in charge of keeping that property in good condition. In addition to routine maintenance, you'll want to reinvest money back into your property. This will not only increase the property's value, but it will also increase how much you can charge for future rent. Number 7, find the right tenants. Finding the best tenants to stay in your rental property could be more challenging than finding the rental property itself. You don't want just any person off the street renting your house. Number 8, keep building your real estate portfolio. Having a good foundation is great, but you want to always keep putting money back into your real estate portfolio so it keeps on growing. It's also important to check in every once in a while and reassess your income needs. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.